Hey guys, I'm Rashmi and you're watching Rush Art. This video is all about glass painting. I've used Fevicryl glass colors in 6 different shades. I've used a small glass sheet here. I'm gonna fix it with a sellotape. So this is an outliner readily available with the kit. I'm gonna outline the whole picture. That's the reason I've kept a drawing outside. You can just outline the whole thing as per your wish, as per your choice, whichever painting you like. I have chosen here 2 parrots so that it seems colorful. I have made the drawing available already here. It's very easy to use the outliner. It's just like a pen marker. As you can see, my outline is nearly ready. Only some parts are remaining. Let it dry for a minute or 2. So after the outline, I'm just gonna color it with the glass colors, Fevicryl glass colors. I've chosen the color red. You can also mix 2 colors at a time. I've chosen the color yellow with it. Just make sure there is no bubble in the picture, as bubble will stay on the glass forever. You can also mix 2 shades or 3 shades according to you, or give a highlight to a picture. I've just chosen different colors so it looks beautiful. As you guys see, the picture is nearly ready of the first parrot. I'm gonna just mix it with a toothpick so that it smudges properly. My first parrot is ready. So as for the second parrot, I would like to give a suggestion that even if the picture goes wrong, you have an excess of color on it or smudge 2 colors unnecessary, you can just make it off right just by wiping it off with a wet cloth or a tissue paper. It's okay if something goes wrong, you can still fix it. Colors I've used are red, blue, green, yellow, a little bit of orange and brown. I've purposely put an excess of color so that I could show you. You can just wipe it off. The more the colorful picture, the more it will look bright. My painting is getting ready. Nearly a minute or 2. So brown color for the stem and the beak, and my picture is ready. Thanks for watching Rush Art. This was my first voiceover.